Neck pain is one of the more common conditions that individuals experience when at the workstation. In this short video, we'll take a look at some of those common causes. Some of the risk factors we need to be mindful of when it comes to working at that workstation include avoiding or minimizing our exposure to awkward postures. We'll take a look at some of the more common awkward postures that individuals adopt when at the workstation. Duration. How long is an individual sitting at that workstation undertaking their work tasks? Ideally, we're taking a break every 45 to 60 minutes away from their workstation for a short 1 to 2 minutes and taking some longer breaks every 2 to 3 hours. Repetition or repetitive movement is also another risk factor for aches and pains, and we'll look at how this can feed into head and neck movement, which may result in neck pain, and visual strain is the other key consideration. If an individual is experiencing any visual strain, we would recommend you see your optometrist, but in the meantime, every 20 minutes, look 20 meters away for 20 seconds to give yourself a nice visual eye break. Individuals who are utilizing their laptop connected in with their larger screen are more likely to spend periods of time looking down with a fixed flexed head position at that laptop, thereby increasing the risk of developing aches and pains in the head and neck. Individuals who are using two monitors but are not necessarily sitting in the correct position relative to their use for that monitor may end up resulting in awkward rotation positions of their head and neck for prolonged periods of time, which can increase their risk of aches and pains. A monitor that is too high for the worker will result in the worker having to extend their neck for prolonged periods of time when looking at the screen. A monitor that is too low will encourage the worker to slump and look down with a fixed flexed head position. In order to prevent any potential aches and pains, set yourself up directly in front of your primary monitor if you're using that the majority of the time. If you're using both monitors equally, sit between the two. The monitor should be just beyond arm's length away, with your eye line falling on the top third of the screen. This short video was brought to you by Corporate Work Health Australia. If you have any queries or would like to book an ergonomic assessment with one of our consultants, please contact us at admin@corporateworkhealth.com.